Hey, I'm Rick, a personal trainer at Summer Sky, and I get asked a lot, hey coach, I want to lose weight, I want to trim down. How do I go about that? When I get that question, I normally try to explain it fairly simple. If we can think about it as those old-timey scales, if what I eat in a day I burn in calories, then I'm going to maintain that same weight. I'm going to stay the same. If I eat more than I burn, then I'm going to gain weight. And if I burn more than I eat, I'm going to lose weight. So it is a numbers game. There's such thing as food timing. I'll get back with that later. But it is a numbers game. So how do we figure out those numbers? There's a thing called basal metabolic rate. Now what that means is if I laid in bed all day, I didn't go to the gym, I didn't work out, I didn't go on a hike, I didn't do my run. If I just laid in bed all day and breathe, that's all I'm going to do. That's your basal metabolic rate. There is a formula for that. Like I said, it is a numbers game. I'm going to cover a female this time. Female's formula looks like this, 655 plus 4.35 times your weight plus 4.7 times your height in inches minus 4.7 times your age. So 655 plus 4.35 times your weight in pounds plus 4.7 times your height in inches minus 4.7 times your age. So it might have been a while since you've done math, but what easiest way to do it, find out your weight, multiply by 4.35, put that answer here. Find out your height in inches, multiply by 4.7, put your answers there. And however old you are, multiply by 4.7 and put that answer there. Then all you have to do is simply add 655 plus that minus that, and then that will come up with your BMR, basal metabolic rate. Now obviously we're not going to lay in bed all day. So we have to multiply that number times a constant. Now that constant is going to be dependent on how active you are throughout the day. Now if you got an office job and you don't work out, that constant would be 1.2 for you never go to the gym pretty much. If you work out 1 to 3 days a week, that constant would be 1.375. If you work out 3 to 5 days a week, that constant would be 1.55. You work out 6 to 7 days a week, that constant would be 1.75. And if you had a hard job, say you dug ditches or poured concrete or whatever, plus you went to the gym, that's extreme, that would be 1.9. So whatever you come up with here, then you would multiply by whatever constant of how activity level you are at that throughout the day, throughout that week. So this is just a starting point. Obviously, everybody's different. Everybody absorbs food different. You might work out one time this week, and next time you work out 5. So everything's dynamic. Everything's changing. So that's roughly how you figure out the numbers. Then you say, hey, I want to lose weight. Now, all we have to do is we'll subtract 500 calories a day. 500 times 7 days a week, that's 3,500 calories. That's roughly equal to 1 pound. So it's safe to lose approximately 2 pounds. Anything more than that a week. Anything more than that, I would be under doctor supervision, licensed dietitian, something like that. But every book I've read, 1 to 2 pounds a week is safe. So 500 calorie deficit a day times 7 days a week, 3,500. That would be roughly 1 pound. Same thing if I wanted to gain weight. I would put 500 surplus in my diet a day, and by the end of the week, I should have put on, 1 pound. Now, that's not going to be 1 pound of muscle, but you would put on 1 pound. So that's how you figure the numbers. Stay tuned. Next time I'll cover the guys' formula. Thanks.